Previous session we had seen how to create database. Now we will see how to migrate the table template we had created in this. So we have created an app DB context. So we can create this. It's function called public DB set. After, so when we type after, we movie start model got imported because we have defined the class called data inside that. So we can give a name and then you can include the setter and get also gets shown. Next, we have to migrate the table template. To do this, tools, there is a music package manager console in here. Add migrate and we have to give a name for this. SQL. So this was just fine. You can see there's a separate folder called migration has been created. To effect the migration, we need to again run the command update with our page. Once this is created, you can see the SQL commands has been executed in the console, and we will be doing the SQL Server Management Studio. Initially, there won't be any tables over here, but okay, the database is over here. Access is the database which we have created. So this is how you will be creating a template in the project and migrate them to the database. We won't be directly creating the database using SQL image. This is the usual way in ASP.NET to create tables. Thank you.